Hello friends, today I paint a beautiful scenery on a canvas. This is actually a canvas bag, the bag made of canvas. So I will decorate the bag by painting a beautiful scenery. I'm mixing white and sky blue together and apply it on the canvas. I actually make the sky of the scenery. I paint the scenery by direct color. I don't use pencil drawing, and this portion is the water I will paint. So by the sky blue I just do the basic. When we use acrylic or fabric color, we should wash our brush very properly, otherwise our brush will maybe damage. You can see the environment where I draw. Almost complete first color. You should apply the color very clear and neat. I apply such white stroke because this area I will make the water portion. Above sky and the below is water. I just make some wave of water by using white. I use masking tape outside. This is green and just apply the green. A little bit of blend is there between the sky and the water. The land is far away and the land is there also. As it is, I paint for just only commercial purpose, so my intention is I will work very low and maximum result I got. With that black I set on the green and try to look like a land portion. I use burnt sienna or brown to make some branches. It's very easy. You can use the synthetic brush for making branches and leaves. With that white directly I paint the white. I'm trying to a goose. very easy. Without pencil drawing, you also can do that. It's another rose, but lonely rose is not looking so good, so I made two. Direct fabric color by white. Don't mix water on it, otherwise it will not bright. You can see with the sky blue I just made a shadow on it. This is orange. Sorry, disturbing up camera. That black I do just outline to make it more beautiful. This is the wave of the river. To make it more prominent, I outline everywhere. I already told that it is used for commercial purpose, so I just go for shortcut only. Black and white stroke here and there. I just want to make some wave of the river. This is some grasses. The grass flower. Very quick and easy. Just dotted of yellow to show some flower and branches, and it will look beautiful. I am Sanjit, your friend. Please subscribe my channel and be with me. I will make wooden bridge here with one shiner. It's very easy, no matter. No drawing is needed. Without drawing you can do this very easily. Now remove the masking tape, and the edges are very clear now. Now you can see the whole image. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and stay with me. Thank you.